He was a great man among all of the people of the East. And as we continue to verse number 4, he says, his sons used to take turns holding feasts in their homes. They partied. They always ate with each other. They loved inviting each other to each other's homes to feast and enjoy. Jouir la vie. Yo te reme la vie. Tout petit te reme fè magay la kay pou tout moun ta vini pou yo manger. And it says this in verse number 5. When a period of feasting had run its course, Job would send and have them purified. Early in the morning, he would sacrifice a burnt offering for each of them, thinking, perhaps, listen to this verse, perhaps my children have sinned and cursed God in their hearts. This was Job's regular custom. Chapitre 9, oui, bon Dieu va nos images. La Bible dit qui est Job. La Bible dit c'est un monde qui te gagne en pile si monde. Toute magal te vle dans la vie te gagne. Si te quoi li gagne livestock. Il va gagner pièce problème. But something nous connaît des Job. Dans le premier verset ça c'est il dit Job était juste. Il était juste. Il était caractère. La Bible dit lever bonheur le matin pour prier pour famille. C'est pas prier seulement, non? Il prier pour famille, mais il prier pour nos gens. Si on te fait magaï mal, si on ne pas connaître, bon Dieu t'a pardonné. A man of character. This is a man that woke up early in the morning and went before the Lord. Went before the Lord. And prayed for his family. Not only prayed for their sins, but the sin of omission, meaning the sins they had no idea they even committed. A man of character. Juste. J'ose à un monde, s'il t'a marché de la rue, tout jeune, il t'a avancé à côté parce qu'il respectait. A just man. Character, noble, righteous, standing for the Lord. Et puis verset 6, something's about to happen here that's going to change this. It says, one day the angels, tout ange, verset 6, came to present themselves before the Lord, and Satan also came with them. The Lord said to Satan, where have you come from? Where have you come from? Satan answers the Lord, from roaming through the earth and going back and forth. So quand il y a une autre image dans le royaume, bon Dieu, il dit tout ange ont été assemblés. Ils ont campé devant bon Dieu, et puis la Bible dit Satan était là tout. Et puis bon Dieu commence à demander lui. Bon Dieu dit, hey, Satan dit, everywhere. Marching dans tout le monde, you know, just browsing.